In this follow-up video, based on the previous video where we did simple navigation with the Stack Navigator, with the React Navigation library, we are now ready to separate this code into its more proper structure, which is the profile screen, home screen should be separate, as well as the navigation container code as well, because we usually reserve the app, which is a top level, for other initializations that we need to do in the app. So we start with creating the common pattern. A common pattern is src folder, which is a source folder, and then just define some screens folder, and then another folder for the navigation. So the screens should contain the screens, and we just create a file called homescreen.js and create another file called profilescreen.js to keep it consistent with our component name. And then we just copy paste our codes. Not saving anything yet in the app.js. And then don't forget to copy the imports as well. And lastly, for the profile screen, and lastly, do not forget the export default home screen. The export default will allow your UI component to be imported, and then running through a simple formatter like prettier. Code is now formatted. Don't forget to export default this one as well. Profile screen and some formatting there. And then we can't save app.js yet because it will result in an error, just like this one. It won't be able to find the screens, which is fine. So now we'll keep that error, and we'll create a new file under navigation folder called main navigation container.js. We replace our codes there. Cons main navigation container.js. So main navigation container. And return the component, all the codes. Just format it a little bit, then copy the imports, save. Don't forget the export default, and then just place the main navigation container component here. Will auto import, and then the app will still have an error because the profile screen and the home screen are not yet imported. So what I'd like to do is just type the home screen again, and then VS Code will reference the path and the component immediately. You can do this manually. I like to keep it simple and straightforward. It should work as expected now. If we refresh or reload the app, it will behave as we expect. So on the profile screen, we have that go back now. So we did it. We finally completed our restructuring of the app based on a more structured pattern. So this is how we implement simple navigation in our React Native mobile app. So hope this video has helped you, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. So where can you find this video?